This is a Jura Z6 coffee machine, and I was having a problem with when I went to drop my cleaning tablets down the chute. It would not recognize that I had opened and closed the door, and I took it apart, and there's other videos out there that show you how to take it apart, and I had to take the top off. And once you get the top off, you can see this little switch right here, which was not working in mine. You can see where it has to push in on this plunger of this little micro switch. When you open the door, it should push it in, and when you close the door, it should pop back out. Well, mine was pushed in, but it wouldn't pop back out, so I'd have to put a paper clip or something in there to try and pull it forward to trigger that switch on and off. What I did was I just took the lid off, and I took the switch off, and I took this little triggering device and just move it forward here and took it off. It just pulls straight up if I can't get a hold of it for the video, but basically I just cleaned under it and got it nice and clean. I sprayed a little silicone. That's what you see, the white gunk in there. There you go. The white gunk is where I sprayed some silicone to kind of make it smoother. And it was kind of gunky in there, and just cleaned it up really good to make it nice and slick. Put that back together, put this back on here, and now when I open and close my door, it functions like it's supposed to, and it pushes the switch in and out. If I can put this back on here, I can put this chute back in here, and you can see that when I open the door, the switch comes out, and when I push it back in, it pushes it back in. Mine was not doing that before. Thought I was going to have to replace the switch. I thought maybe there wasn't enough spring left over here in this little piece, but it seems to be working fine now. That's all there was to it. Hardest part's getting all the case off.